What are you doing? 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 What are you doing, pup? That's the dog. There's the dogger. What are you doing? It's the tree in the kitchen, because it just looks better there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Woof! 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 Woof, everybody! Woof! Oh. Okay, alright. Alright, you calm down. You calm down, you. Get that cat. Lucky. Shush. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lucky. The cat did not like that. That's the first time my cat's ever hissed at a dog. What are you doing? What are you doing, kitties? Get out of my house. You do not belong here. Oh. And a kitty and a Christmas tree. Alright, Lucky, let's go in the other room and the cat will follow, because I know him. This is what he does. Get ready. The cat will be coming shortly. I know this cat like a book. Uh-oh, he's getting excited. This cat's like, oh, what a pig. Cat must know what the dog's doing at all times.